Welcome, today in front of me Oukitel OKT1 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone notification volume panel. Now just to unmute your device ringtone, you should swipe this dot to the right side with your finger by this way. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just press first up or down volume button here on the left side of your device. Click on the settings icon and you'll see here the same ring volume panel. Just to unmute device ringtone, swipe this dot to the right side, click here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.